Thanks for watching Travel with John Spade. Here's my review of the brand new Latitudes bar aboard the Carnival celebration, plus my top 7 cocktails. Paying homage to bars found in airports and train stations around the world, you have the brand new Latitudes bar. This is one of 2 of the new bars located in the Gateway Zone on the brand new Carnival celebration. Now, if you want to know more about the other newest bar on the celebration, make sure you check out my review on the Golden Jubilee. Located at the center of the Gateway, Latitudes has a very open and energetic feel. With the train station flip sign found at the top of the bar, you'll always know what activities are going on during the day, whether that's watching Carnival travel through time or listening to Morgan play some great tunes nightly. Now, let's hit the bar for my top 7 cocktails. Pims Cup was one of my favorite cocktails on the Mardi Gras and now on the celebration. Shaken with Pims No. 1 fresh lemonade, cucumber, and lime soda. This cocktail was not too sweet and highly refreshing for any time of day. One of Carnival's top-selling margaritas is Blues Blue Margarita. Made with Patron Blue Carousel, lime, and agave, who doesn't love a great margarita while relaxing on vacation? The Cosmopolitan is a cocktail that started in the 80s but tastes great in 2023. With vodka, triple sec, lime, and cranberry, I found this Cosmo to be well-balanced, strong, and flavorful. Another favorite cocktail from Mexico is the Paloma. Crafted with tequila, lime, sugar, and grapefruit, the Paloma was a very smooth and clean sipping experience. Take my advice, this is a walk, don't run cocktail. All the way from Brazil, we have the Caprinia. This was my first time trying the Brazilian chicaca, but it balanced out perfectly with the lime and the sugar. This reminded me of a margarita with a rum-based twist. The Apparel Spritz is known for being a very light and refreshing cocktail in Italy. In my opinion, this tasted very flavorless and had a very bitter aftertaste, which made it one of my least favorite cocktails at Latitudes. Coming in strong at number 2 is no other than a classic, Old Fashioned. This was a masterfully blended cocktail with Woodford Reserve, sugar, and bitters. On the celebration or on any ship, this is by far one of my favorite cocktails. And sliding into the number 1 spot is a cocktail that looks as great as it tastes, the Sakura. This drink was incredibly flavorful. The sake base is complemented by pomegranate liqueur, sweet germain, lemon, and cherry bitters. Once you release the blossoms on the aromatic bubble, you get to sit back, relax, and enjoy the Sakura. With cocktails from all over the world demonstrating various flavor profiles, I'd rate the cocktails here at Latitudes an 8 out of 10. And with vivid lighting that helps to create a very warm, inviting, and relaxing atmosphere, while paying homage to travel destinations all across the globe. For theme and creativity, I give this bar a 10 out of 10.